'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love.
Chan! Di, new haircut ang baby ko. Ready na sa graduation mo? Ha? Congrats, Chan! Level up? Level up? Yan. Meron kaming appetizer ni Chan. What can you say about your haircut? Good. Good? Gwapo ka ba? Yan. Meron kaming complimentary nachos. But we ordered nachos na. This is your... What's that? Okay, you can drink. Unlimited. Okay. We're here at Fridays. Smile. You want the salad? Huh? There you are. This is your nacho san. Put the lime. Scattered mo. Okay? Salad. You don't like the salad? Oh, kain ka mo ng salad. No? O, sige, kain ka na. This is the fish fillet. This is all our food. Nachos Chan. This is the Alfredo. Sige na. Hello, Shan. Sige na, kain ka na dyan. Yan, we're still here at Trinoma. We're supposed to watch a movie, pero walang siya. Walang movie na pang bata. Kung may pangbata naman, sobrang pangbata. Where are you, Shan? And we're gonna buy Shan stuff downstairs at the mall. How about the train ride? You want? Kasi big boy ka na. Dito na tayo sa Trinoma. Come on, we will buy something for for the kitchen. Ito siyan, gusto ko to siyan for the soup. Ha? Kaya lang mabigat naman pag maglalak. Wala si kuya kasi. Tama? Ito. Nice talaga to siya. Gusto ko siya. Kaya lang mahal. Ano siya? Naka ano pa siya? Ano yung brand niya? Orange? 1.4 natin. Gusto ko talaga siya.